Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 Days of Halloween, I am doing Edward Scissorhands. This is actually my second attempt at this look because I bought some scar wax for his scars and I didn't practice, didn't watch any videos, and it was a disaster. So I did what I should have done at the beginning, watch some videos, and learned that I needed some type of skin prep. So I ordered the Mayron skin prep and I put that on my hands, and then the wax didn't stick to you. So this attempt went so much better. So here I am just starting. I feel like I start every video off doing this, but I'm covering my eyebrows. I got a little bit better, and I actually think the reason it was so difficult for me in the beginning is my glue was old. So I got some new glue and it's been so much better. Next, I'm doing my foundation, and he's not clown white, but he's still pretty pale, so I'm just going in with a light foundation. I went ahead and put my turtleneck on because I forgot to in the beginning, and I did not want to risk messing up this wax, but I did go ahead and set my foundation with a setting powder so the wax would stick better. And I'm using the Mayron Extra Flesh Fake Skin. It is the perfect skin color and really easy to use once I figured out how to actually use it. But that Mayron skin prep was a lifesaver. It made it so much easier. All you do is put a little on your fingers, and that is what helps the wax not stick to you. So I highly recommend it if you are going to be using wax for your Halloween looks. I got mine on Amazon. I think it was around $12, but I will go ahead and link that for y'all down below in the description bar. Now I'm going over all the scars with the Mayron Fixative A, which is just a prosthetic sealer. You want to do this because it helps to make the wax stay in place, and if you're going to be putting makeup on top, it will help the makeup stick to the wax as well. Next, I'm going to be shading in my eyes. This is when my dark circles actually come in handy for once. But I started off using blacks and grays, but think it's too dark, so I end up coming back to my eyes and adding in some darker browns. But this does not have to be precise. It's pretty messy, and I'm just going underneath my eyes and around them. Now I'm going to be doing some contouring, and I'm using a gray because black I feel like would be a little bit too harsh. And then I'm also going to use eyeshadow for my lips as well. Here's where I'm adding in the brown eyeshadow, and I think that looks so much better. I was using a picture of Edward Scissorhands for reference, and it looked like it was a little bit lighter around his lash line. So here I'm just taking some foundation and putting it above my upper and lower lashes. So the scars pretty much already blended in, but I wanted to make sure they really match, so I'm taking a concealer brush and going over them with foundation, and that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other Halloween looks. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow for my next video.